Hello guys, welcome to Mathtastic. Now, let's begin and explore our website. First is, we're gonna go log in, okay, and you can select about us, contact us, and home. And we're gonna start learning. To start learning, you can see the course progress, the notifications. Now we go to learning modules. First is the lesson intro to algebra. Now you can maximize and minimize the PDF, then you can back and you can also watch video lesson about the algebra, and after that you can try practice exercise. Let's start the quiz. There's a power ups which is the 50-50. It's like a 50-50, and then the percentage of the possible answer, and you can also next. You can also use a add time for time, then select answer, so answer is wrong, and you can also select answer. You can review answer. You can select the wrong answer and you can see the final answer, which is the correct answer, and after that you can play again. Next lesson. Then next is the interactive problem solving and start. You can also use the power ups again, which is the 50-50 or hex, and you can also use the freeze, but the freeze is used for time. Then you can select answer, select, you can next to next question, then select answer, next, and also select answer again, and you can review answer again, and it's same to the first quiz. Like, you can see the final answer, then you can play again, and next challenge. Sa account settings, there's accessibility, which is the dark mode, font size, small, medium, large, and you can also use a warm mode to better experience, and you can see the logout. Contact support, you can also message us if there's something wrong, submit and back, and after that you can log out. And thank you for watching our videos.